The good old vacuums and mops had their days of glory. But perhaps it's about time to move on to something better, something hot, something powerful, and something smart. Meet Osotek HotWave, world's first 4-in-1 mop vacuum that does it all with hot water. The 140 degrees hot water cleaning makes the Osotek HotWave unique. It cleans messes both wet and dry. While it cleans stubborn stains easily, it won't cause any odor when compared to cold water cleaning. You may be surprised by how efficient it is. No matter what you might encounter, the Osotek HotWave will cut through it, leaving a clean path behind. The clean and dirty water is circulated in separate tanks, so the Osotek HotWave always cleans with fresh hot water. Through the IR sensors, it knows what it's doing, and it will adjust the power level accordingly. You may also be surprised by how autonomous it is, for it washes and dries itself while sipping in the power at the base station, so you can really enjoy your time with dirty hands no more. The latest home cleaning technology may be cool, but ultimately, it is here to liberate you from it, to move on, and to feel the world, to live to your fullest as the time goes by. We present you Osotek HotWave. Founded in 2019, Osotek is dedicated to creating high-quality products and excellent home cleaning solutions for global consumers. The mission of the Osotek team is to free people from home cleaning, improve their quality of life, and bring industry-leading technology and innovations to every family in the world. Thank you for supporting Osotek.
Ever wonder how clean your floors really are? You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-clean. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.
My name is Lucy, your personal smart home superhero. While on the job, nothing escapes my sight, day or night. With a full HD camera and active depth sensor, I detect movements and sounds around the house while providing alerts when things are amiss. With unparalleled super sensing capabilities, I can scan, detect, and avoid obstacles down to 1 inch, ensuring slippers, socks, pets, and even pet accidents never come into contact with me. Protecting and serving my family 24/7 means staying on top of things, so I'm constantly learning my surroundings, making it easy for family members to define patrol routes among the auto-recognized rooms, and set no-go zones with a Trifo Home app. I wouldn't be much of a superhero if I wasn't strong. With 3,000 PA of suction and unmatched battery life, I stay sharp and ready for any mess. With great power comes great incomparability.